the other day I went to the Apple store and posted on my Instagram a poll of whether or not I should get the new MacBook Air with the M2 processing chip. And the poll and the results were surprising. I mean, I was shocked with the results, so I guess great minds think alike. So let's check this out. Let's get into it. So this is going to be a little new, a little bit different. We're going to do the unboxing of what I got at Apple. So let's check out what we got here. So we got the nice little Apple bag. And then step inside, and what do we see? Oh, yo, don't look at that, because that's a straight gift card. Sheesh. Yeah, shout out to Apple. They hooked it up with the gift card because they got a promo going. And matter of fact, shout out to my little brother Alex, because he's the one that really hooked it up. If it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have gotten the student discount for the new MacBook Air. Yeah, so with the student discount comes with X amount of dollars off, and also it comes with a gift card, $150, so it's pretty solid. And yeah, this is the new MacBook Air, and look at, that's a really sleek design that we got going on here. I opted for the 512 gig, and then with the 8 RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Pretty sweet, pretty solid. Oh snap, we got my doggy barking. Hold on. Alright, so now we got Miles to chill out. Let's check this out. And look at this here. That's for all you ASMR fans. Yeah. You already know Apple's packaging is always nice. Am I gonna need a knife for this? I mean, let's see. I mean, I think I don't need it if I just pull on this here. Listen to it. Alright, I'll stop talking so we can hear it. Aw, that was, what the, so unsatisfying. Listen. I guess we didn't need to bust out the knife. Matter of fact, I didn't really have a nice knife to bust out and flex. So what I was going to do, I was going to bust out Miles and just cut it open with a little Miles key. But unfortunately, we'll just have to say that for another video. So let's go ahead and open this up and get the first impressions and the first views on the new 2022 MacBook Air. The box slides out smoothly. Oh, look at what we have here. I'm gonna drop it, knowing my leg. Sheesh, this thing is so thin. Holy crap. I literally picked it up and look how thin this is. This is thinner than most of your textbooks for you students out there. Okay, shh. Oh, I totally ripped it. I should have been more careful with that. I think Apple's trying to go, eco-friendly with this baking sheet type of material. Put your cookies on there and make some chocolate chip cookies, but this is the space gray for the MacBook Air, and look at how sleek this thing is. Super skinny, super thin, super light. Got your 2 lightning ports and your charging area there. And you already know what that is. That's for earphones. Pretty sweet. We'll what else do we have in this box here? Oh, nice. And we got the charging cable here, and this is the cable that actually matches with the kind of MacBook Air you get. If you get like the midnight one, which is more of a bluish tint, this cable was actually a darker blue to match it. This one's space gray, so it's more of a grayish tint. Can't really see too well in this lighting, but yeah. And then if you get the, I forget the other two colors. One's like a champagne color, I forget the name, and then there's also a more whitish color, I forget that one. Or it's like basically another gray. So let's check out the instructions that we got here. A little quick setup. All you gotta do, basically press the on button. And there you go, the ports that I mentioned earlier. So you got your Thunderbolt or USB 4s, your MagSafe charging, and your headphone jack, your 3mm. And yeah, there goes the little notches. You can't get rid of that notch, guys. Maybe one day, not anytime soon. But the warning labels of, make sure to take care of it properly. And what's this last thing? Why is it not coming out? What is this? I see it's like stickers, but I can't even get to it. There we go. And you already know the two Noice. Nice stickers. So yeah, so we got that going here, which is nice. And then, wow, this is actually a smaller brick than what I thought it was gonna be. But I got the dual port for the brick here. Let's give it let's open it up. I keep ripping everything. They just don't make the packaging like they used to. Yeah, so this is the brick here, the dual ports, and it's a 35 watt. Check out this action. Nice. Pull it up, put it away. Oh, we got little grooves here, so when you plug it into the wall, you get a nice firm grip, tight like a tiger, and you pull it out. You can store it away by folding up the prongs, and yeah, that's pretty sweet. What is this? Alright, so then we'll go ahead and put everything away here, and let's start up this bad boy. One thing that I like about Apple a lot is their box. It's just so satisfying to open and close these boxes. Not gonna lie. If you know, you know. So let's see what this startup looks like here. Yo, you guys heard that, right? I heard that. I know you heard that down there somewhere in the comments section. And you got your toilet paper seat cover here. You know, you put it down on the toilet seat before you drop your deuce. Holla. I mean, hola. And hello. We got the bonjour. And then konnichiwa. And then, I don't know, you're gonna have to help me out with that one. And ciao. And, yep, you're gonna have to help me out with that one too. I think that one's Korean. And yep, I need help on that one. Don't know that one either. Hola. And Hage. And hey. Rusk. I don't know. No problem. Very nice. I like, how much is this? Mahalo. I don't know fudge. XOXO, kisses and hugs. Hugs and kisses. Whoa, this is writing backwards. Halo. Oh my goodness. And then hello. Whoa, hello doesn't have an accent though. This is how long does this go? Salute. How long does this go for? Do they really do every single language? Ni hao. Yo. Now we're back to hola. And then hola. I think it went all the way around because I feel like I've seen this. Yes, we've seen that. So yeah, it's pretty much the opening, the unboxing of the new 2022 Macbook Air. Oh, I finally went through, I guess, all of them. And we'll go ahead and select our language. We're gonna pick English because that's the language I speak.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Whoa, why? What? Okay, I'll press the return key because English is my main language. I know some Japanese. I don't know any Spanish. That's all I'm gonna say. I know some Japanese and English. Alright, and then we're gonna select our country. Of course, we're picking America. United States of America. Nice little beep beep. But yeah, as far as like first impressions, I like how it's nice and sleek and
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the Escape key.
Chill out. We'll do that later. So, yeah, I just want to do a little quick unboxing of the new 2022 MacBook Air, and hopefully you liked it. Thanks for stopping by and checking out. This is the first pretty much unboxing that I've done. Probably do some more unboxing stuff in the future. Got some plans for like blind boxes for pins and stuff and other unboxing videos. So thanks for watching and checking out my channel. Hope to see you next time. Should be. Alright then. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. Or you know what? Now I thought about it, it should be like this. See you later, alligator. And then you guys reply. Oh, snap. Oh, almost knocked over the camera. So it's supposed to be, see you later, alligator. And then you guys reply and say, right, after a while, crocodile. All right then, peace out.